Yeah. No, 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 no.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the thumbnail, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to clean your makeup brushes. To start off, I normally pour some boiling water into a bowl and then I mix soap and vinegar. It could be any soap that you have around the house. As you can see, I chose my dish soap and I poured a teaspoon of white vinegar and a teaspoon of dish soap.
Have you seen different colors? Let me take you high. Look up in the sky. Make you pop off like fireworks. Yeah.
Then this is completely optional. I normally put castile soap into the mixture just to kind of like mute out that vinegar smell because I don't want my brushes to smell like vinegar. But vinegar is a natural cleaning agent, so it really does help loosen up the product in these makeup brushes. I'm so bad at cleaning my makeup brushes. Like, as you can see, like, they're pretty dirty. I want to say the last time I cleaned them was a little over a month ago, which is so bad. So I decided to just do a video of me cleaning them.
She crazy. I like it.
So initially I did place them into this clear bowl, but as you can see, the brushes, well, that bowl was just too big, so I transferred it over to a smaller cup because you don't want your brushes to be submerged in water like that. You just want the tips to soak. Then I take my pink little scrubber. This scrubber can be found at Walmart. I believe it comes in a pack of 2. So after letting my brushes soak for 10 to 15 minutes, I go in with my scrubber and I place my soap on there and I just scrub my brush. I do this to make sure that my brushes are really like clean and no makeup is caked up inside, but as you can see from this brush, like not much of the soap is turning brown, so the soak really did help to lift the product and get the product out of there. With this brush, I'm just running the water through it and a lot of the product does fall out before I started to scrub it. And this is my foundation brush, so it has a lot of product in there. But it still doesn't take that long to scrub. Like, as you can see, the tip of the brush is already turning white.
No, 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 no. She crazy. I like it. Get it under my skin. Baby, let me tuck you in. Put you to sleep right. Persuasive. Enticing. Burning body like a match. Pop like a black cat. Light up the whole night. Every time my baby come around me, she can't come and get.
When it comes to rinsing, I normally position the brush downward so that the water doesn't get behind the part that holds the brush hairs together, because once it gets behind there, it begins to loosen up the glue that holds the brush hairs together. So you don't want to do that. I normally just face it downward and rinse in a downward motion. And then after that's done, see, I want to show you guys that all the makeup is out of the brush. I just lay it out onto a paper towel and leave it overnight for it to dry. After my brushes are dry, I normally do this as an extra step. This is completely optional, but some of my brushes always have makeup towards the handle part, so I just take a paper towel, place some alcohol on it, and I just wipe the makeup off. And this gets the makeup off basically instantly. So as you can see with this brush, like this handle has a lot of makeup caked up on there, and I just take my paper towel and wipe it down and it comes right off.
Burning body like a match, pop like a black cat, light up the whole night. Every time my baby come around me, she can't come and get it. Put her down like Paris, that's grounded. Have you seen different colors? Let me take you high. Look up in the sky, make you pop off like fireworks. Yeah.
And these are how my brushes came out. I really hope you guys like this video. If you like this video or you made it this far, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, comment down below, and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.